Are you in the market for a powerful cordless impact wrench? The 2026 landscape for these tools is more advanced than ever. Today, we'll dive into what makes the best battery-powered impact wrenches stand out in performance and durability. Cordless impact wrenches now focus on efficiency and thermal management. The top choice for professionals and automotive enthusiasts is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Half High Torque Impact Wrench. Its exceptional cooling system and consistent output make it an engineering marvel. Let's break down what sets these tools apart. Modern impact wrenches now feature high-density brushless motors. These motors use advanced materials for better power and efficiency. For instance, the Milwaukee and DeWalt models have made significant strides in reducing weight while maintaining performance. The reduction gear set is critical. Premium wrenches use high-carbon steel gears to prevent wear under heavy loads. This detail is essential. It ensures the tool can handle tough tasks without failing. Additionally, the lubricant choices have evolved to withstand intense heat during operation. Now, let's talk about the anvils. Professional-grade anvils are forged from robust materials, ensuring they last longer under high stress. The Milwaukee Impact Wrench excels in this area, demonstrating superior surface hardness during testing. Testing these tools requires strict protocols. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel demonstrated impressive breakaway torque. It outperformed the DeWalt model in our trials, highlighting Milwaukee's efficient energy transfer. Thermal management is crucial. We found that the Milwaukee tool maintained higher torque output even as internal temperatures rose. This feature is vital during long tasks when overheating can limit performance. Impact frequency also plays a role. Our studies showed that too high of an impacts per minute, IPM, can hinder performance. In contrast, tools like the DeWalt DCF891B achieved optimal results for rusted fasteners, proving balance is key. The power source is vital as well. Modern wrench batteries show minimal voltage sag, maintaining strong performance even when battery levels drop. This benefit is essential for mechanics on the go. To summarize, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel sets a high standard for battery-powered impact wrenches. Its advanced technology, durability, and excellent thermal management make it the best option for serious users. Choosing the right tool depends on your needs. For heavy-duty applications, the Milwaukee should be your go-to. If precision in automotive assembly is your goal, consider the DeWalt's features. Explore these tools now and elevate your workshop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or experiences you have with impact wrenches. Your feedback helps us provide more in-depth reviews.